Musadilal Jewellers presents an iconic opportunity of their 15th annual sale valid till the 31st of January. You guys might be thinking, what is it? So, let's dive deep into the world of offers from Musadilal Jewellers located at Bashirbagh. What is this 15th annual sale of Musadilal Jewellers located at Bashirbagh about? It's all about discounts on gold and diamond value. First, we are getting no making charge on awesome gold jewelry like this, valid only till the 31st of January. As if that's not enough, great discounts on stone and diamond value, valid only till the 31st of January. Hey everyone, hello, namaste, welcome back to Get Peppy with me, and that's the reason why for the very first time I have bought you some very exclusive collection from Musadilal Jewellers located in Bashirbagh. And the bonus is we have our 15th annual sale running till the 31st of January. Idochesi just not any normal sale andi. This is like very interesting sale where you are getting exclusive necklaces, earrings, bangle, gold jewelry, diamond jewelry, everything in the best prices possible. In gold jewelry, you have no making, and on stone values, you're getting certain amount of discount which I have not heard about before, including diamonds and gemstones also. I was blown away looking at this offers and this interesting collection available at this store. And if you are a jewelry lover just like me, meeku edaina plan cheskoni unnaremo, like if you have your wedding plan for 2025, edaina different ga meeru konnalannukunte ee offer aithe definite ga miss kaakandi. Just come down to the store located at Bashirbagh, and if you want to inquire anything other than that also, endukante ee video vachesi I'm going to show you a lot of collection, but I'll not be able to show you the prices of each and every piece. Meeku edaina piece nachite definite ga oka number vastundi screen paina, you can reach us out on that number. We'll be more than happy to tell you the prices, best prices, offers edaina naduste adanni kuda you can know reaching us out on any of the numbers that you see on the screen down below. Or if you want to know about the shipping or any other interesting offers, just reach us out on the number that you see on the screen. Without wasting any time, let's dive deep into this video and explore this amazing collection of the 15th annual sale which is running at the Musadilal Jewellers located at Bashirbagh. Another exclusive piece which stole my heart is this piece. Idi chudandi enta unique ga undo. Chala different variety piece which is coming in jalebi design for all the brides to be or somebody who likes something really very unique. Nenu eskunna jewelry ever eskokodadu. I should look different. If you feel like that, this piece is made just for you guys. You will not believe the price of this before discount is around 10.5 lakh rupees approximately, but after discount this is available for you at a price of 9.5 lakh rupees approximately, which is a big amount of discount for you guys. In this you can see flat diamonds, you can see cut diamonds, you can see tourmaline stones, you can see Russian emeralds in pumpkin shape. So many color stones used here. These are real gemstones which are used in this piece, by the way. And if you guys want to explore more about this piece, you can definitely come down to the store. The net weight of this piece is coming close to 93.108 grams. That's the net weight of this piece. So this piece is definitely something you should try as a bride. And we have applied our 15th annual sale offer on this piece too. Look at this amazing set of two bridal neckwear set. I mean, chala beautiful piece undi chuste kuda. Just look at the shine of this necklace. Pure 18 carat necklace net weight is 56.882 grams. That's the net weight in pure 18 carat gold. And this has beautiful real natural diamonds in it. Look at the shine also, and also the color stones. If you want, you can also change the color stones. All those options are available. But the best part is you're getting discount on stone value, which also includes diamonds. So I will not reveal you guys how much of a percentage of discount you're getting on diamond stones here. You better contact us on the WhatsApp number that you see on the screen down below, and you'll be surprised to know about the discounts that you're getting. And on top of that, this long Rani Haram, wow, just look at the design and the shine of it. It's so very brilliant. I totally loved it. Net weight of this is 214.308 grams. It's like in two lines. It's also detachable. You can wear it in different occasions if you want to wear. It's a very gorgeous piece, and if you want to know more, contact us on the number that you see on the screen down below. Not only this necklace, there are a lot of other pieces that you can see in the background. Just look at this liner piece, which is coming in so many layers, 3 layers, which is detachable. You can wear it in different occasions. You have this kind of a fixed choker. You have chokers like that and hanging earrings. So very beautiful, mesmerizing collection. As if that's not enough, I have got you another piece also. Ido chesi with red color stones in between, like you guys can see, and diamonds are in so many different cuts and shape. Asal chudandi, the diamonds cuts and shape and the way they are shining, asal it does not even look like real. It looks like a dream jewelry. Net weight of this is 138.472 grams. To know more details about the diamond and what kind of a discount will you get on this, contact on the number that you see on the screen down below. Ade kaakunda nenu meekosam కొంచెం సింపుల్ మినిమల్ డిజైన్ డీటెయిలింగ్ మీడియం సైజ్ చోకర్ కూడా తీసుకొని వచ్చాను ఫర్ పీపుల్ హూ లైక్ మినిమల్ చోకర్ ఆర్ మినిమల్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ డిజైనర్ చోకర్ ఇన్ డైమండ్ జ్యువెలరీ. ఇది వచ్చేసి దాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ అ పీస్. నెట్ వెయిట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఇస్ 82.220 grams. It is in 18 carat. It is in yellow gold. Look at the design, the detailing and the finish. I totally love the workmanship of this kind of designer pieces, now available at great discounts on stone value, which even includes diamonds. Up next is one of my personal favorite. That's the reason why I insisted to know the prices, the overall breakup, what kind of a discount will I get on it, because I want you guys to experience what kind of a discount you're getting on this 15th annual sale of Musadilal Jewellers located at Bashir Bagh. Talking about this piece, first dini design chudandi enta baundo. It's not like any other piece. It's not bottu detailing, it's not choker, it's a short necklace basically. Venaka manaki ilanti patti detailing icharu in pure 18 karat gold, and you can see the usage of stones, pearl detailing, diamonds. Diamonds are in so many different cuts and shapes, and look at the precision of it. I'm just loving the shine of it, and just imagine me bride la veskunte enta bauntundo. Just this short necklace and simple hanging earrings will look so very splendid for you on your reception day. I mean, I cannot take my eyes off a bride if she's wearing this on her reception day. Talking about the specifications for you guys, net weight of this is 84 grams. Diamonds weight here is around 13.66 carat approximately. These are real natural diamond. Just make a rough estimation. The price of this is coming close to 16 lakh rupees, which is including gold weight, diamond value, gemstone value, everything. But we are giving this to you at a price of 14.5 lakh rupees, which is unbeatable, which means a close discount of 1.5 lakh rupees. Where will you get this kind of a discount outside? And if you are a bride, please do not miss this opportunity. Book this kind of piece and many other pieces available only at Musadilal Jewellers located at Bashir Bagh. So chesi Ilanti piece, just look at this beauty. For people who like Russian emeralds, real Russian emeralds, which looks really very sparkling on diamond jewelry or polki collection, this piece will suit your dream bridal collection. Look at the choker. Enta baundo. Look at the center, big size Russian emerald, the kind of cuts it has in it, the handcrafted work, the precision to detailing, anni kalipi. I mean, my eyes are still sparkling looking at the design. You guys must definitely explore these pieces, and I'm not going to reveal the details of the choker because I want you guys to contact the WhatsApp number that appears on the screen to know more details about the choker. And this is the liner long Rani Haram, which is coming in 3 layers. It's a unisex piece. Both men and women can wear it. It's in pure 18 karat gold. Net weight of this is 79.844 grams. Just look at the way this piece looks, so very statement. If you want, you can skip the choker, just wear the liner long haram or just the choker, or else this entire collection itself is a statement piece. Next వచ్చేసి చాలా divinely piece for people who want the motifs of gods and goddesses. This piece will definitely impress you guys. Endukante center pendant chudandi ela undo. You can see the motive of Lord Balaji Swami. It's designed to detail and perfection. Sides lo manaki ilanti keshi pearls icharu, and you can see this kind of diamonds in it, polkis in it, pearls in it, color stones, 18 karat gold, and everything looking so very brilliant. You can also see the feet of Lord Balaji Swami on the top. If you see Lord Balaji Swami padalu untai paina, I mean kanti detailing lo, wow. I was like thinking this piece is so beautiful and imagining people who like the motifs of gods and goddesses, how much would they like this piece and how much would you rate this piece? Mention it in the comment section down below. Net weight of this is 90.890 grams. వచ్చేసి చాలా చాలా ట్రెండింగ్ డిజైన్ నేను మీకోసం తీసుకొని వచ్చాను, which is jalebi pattern necklace, which is designed in 18 karat antique gold, and you can see the kind of stones used: pink color stones, green color stones, polkis, uncut diamonds. Wow, just look at this. And the net weight of this is just 50 grams. In a very lightweight this piece is designed. I like this design because I haven't seen something like this before, to be very honest. I have seen a lot of jalebi designs, but this one is very different. All right friends, చూసారు కదా ఎలాంటి కలెక్షన్ నేను మీకోసం తీసుకొని వచ్చాను. You guys might be feeling, wow, I'm satisfied looking at this collection, because these collections are not like any other collections that you see on YouTube or anywhere else. ఎందుకంటే సేల్ ఉంటే we just see the pieces which they want to move, fast running pieces or something which is very old in design. అది కాకుండా ఇది వచ్చేసి చాలా exclusive necklaces, designs and bangles, earrings, everything is so interesting, and I thought I should bring this video for you guys. If you like this video, share it with your family and friends. Andarki telusali kada elanti collection kuda available undani and elanti discounts lo available undani, and this is valid only till the 31st of January. So hurry up. Do not waste any time. Just come down to the store, explore all the pieces. WhatsApp calling option kuda undi. I do not want you guys to miss this offer. Just come down to the store, explore these items. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to read all your comments and respond to you guys. Take care and have an awesome day. Keep shining. Bye-bye.